And what's up, guys? Me and Zach Wilson there, back with another video. We are doing we're here at Dover, or whatever, I don't know, but we are here. So yeah, there'll be 5 laps here at Dover, and so yeah, here you go. Go! Green, green, green! I need to get this ready now. I said 5 laps? Yeah, 5 laps. There'll be 4 to go at the line. 4 to go here at Dover. Oh, cars get pulled up. There's cars in the back aren't even near this. Kyle Busch in the lead, followed by Truex, Clint Boyer, Jones, and Ryan Blaney. Oh, I keep getting hold up on that. Oh, there's the cars. They're getting in humongous strip line. Yep. 3 to go at the line. 3 to go. Here at Dover. But Clint Boyer takes the lead. Oh, cars get on the outside. Cars get past for this lead. Oh, cars get pushed up there. Who could win? Kurt Busch now in second. We haven't seen him win a race, I think. 2 to go at the line. 2 to go. You're at Dover. Oh, cars get in the lead. Jimmy Johnson. That fling counts because he was actually on because the bottom of the track flung him, not other cars. Jimmy Johnson in the lead. 1 to go. Here at Dover. Jimmy Johnson. Could he pull off the win? You're at Dover. Could he pull off this win and maybe get himself into the championship round? Oh, that fling. That doesn't count. Kurt Busch won't win. Will not win. Jimmy Johnson wins at Dover. What a race. Jimmy Johnson. What a race. Jimmy Johnson wins at Dover. Also later today, guys, I'll be doing the NASCAR sign up series, stop motion race. So yeah, stay tuned for that later. Yeah, hope you guys video. If it's not, bye.